Okay, y'all. So I'm about to show y'all how to put on press on nails. This is a set that I got from Press by Summer. So really quick, when you order a custom set, they will mail you this, and it's basically like all 10 nails, and you measure them. They all have a number on it. And if you're number one, you write like my thumb is number one, my pinkies, whatever, whatever, and so on and so forth. You mail this back and they make your set. This is maybe like my eighth set, custom set from some. First thing, my nails are clean. It's alcohol on here. And I'm just gonna clean my nail bed. Make sure there's not any oil on there. And then I'm going to use my file and just give me a little rough little surface. Now, if I was in a rush, I would not do all of this. Usually, when I put my nails on, I'm headed out. All right, this is the glue Kiss Instant. Y'all, if y'all blink, y'all gonna miss this. I like to do my right hand first. I'm just doing a drop on my nail bed. And I already got my nails laid down because it makes it so much easier. Now look, that shit is on. And when you put them on, make sure you're pushing it down and putting that cuticle back. Now this glue is so strong, you really just need like a drop. And we like, I like doing my right hand because I'm right handed. You know, it's harder to do. Okay, one hand is and y'all, when it dries, you're gonna feel it get really tight. Ain't that cute? Woke up in the hills this morning, asking myself, how did I get here this morning? Vontae Parker in the till